Hey guys, I'm here with Derek at the Milwaukee Pipeline event, and we're looking at a Packout kind of mechanic mobile tool chest, right?
Yep,
what
absolutely.
do you call it?
This is our 366-piece master mechanic set in Packout.
366 pieces.
Correct.
There are tools in here.
Yep. So what you're going to get here is a 4-drawer Packout unit times 3.
Yep.
The top of these is all going to be sockets. Right, you're going to get your standard sockets, you're going to get some impact, you're going to get bit sockets. When you move down, you're going to move into wrenches. So here we're going to have SAE and metric, and we're going to have standard and ratcheting versions in there.
Very nice.
As you move down further, you're going to run into your more general purpose hand tools, things like pliers, picks, pry bars, screwdrivers, wrenches, right? So really giving you everything you need to complete your tasks on a daily basis.
What inspired this?
So this is something users have been asking for a long time. We've obviously grown our lineup of mechanics tools. Some of our most popular are ones that are paired up with Packout. Users love the versatility, they love the organization, so they needed something bigger. So as our lineup really rounded out, it made sense to launch a master set to go along with it.
Is this for a mobile mechanic? You see this set up permanently in a workshop? Is this coming out of a truck and going?
Yeah, we're getting great feedback with both. Mobile mechanics, obviously a ton of opportunity there. But even you think within a workshop, tons of versatility with Packout. One thing I didn't show you yet, not only is it EVA foam, this is a removable tray.
Oh, so you can bring it to where you're working or do whatever you want. Yep.
If you're working off a cart, you can take that with you. If you're thinking more mobile setting, you can mix and match one drawer to have exactly what you want. Throw it on a Packout stack.
Still go higher too.
Yep, exactly. So tons of versatility, great organization, and every tool in here has the innovation, whether it's the 4 flat sockets, 144 tooth ratcheting design, a lot of cool stuff here.
So this is great, and you can lock it and store it. How much is this whole kit with the dolly, and when is it available to users?
Yep, so we're still dialing in pricing and the exact contents. It's going to be somewhere between $3,000 and $4,000.
Okay.
Gives you a little bit of a bundled discount over buying it all separately, but that's if you're buying everything. That's the 3 separate units plus the dolly. We will also have this available individually from the bottom 2, so you can mix and match exactly what you want. And if you already have a Packout drawer set, we'll also sell the pre-kitted trays. So
really?
Tons of versatility. You can get exactly what you need
to
get the set
you want. Will you sell the pre-kitted trays with the tools or just the cutouts?
Pre-kitted.
Pre-kitted?
Yep.
Oh, with the tools. I got you. And you can get any one of these individually, mix and match if you wanted to.
Correct.
That is awesome. Derek, thank you so much for
showing this
to us, and thanks for having us.
Yeah, of course.
Really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.